If you've been searching for a brand new home here in Elk Grove, California, but need more than one primary bedroom, well, this video is for you today because I'm highlighting 3 new construction homes that are going to be 4 to 5 bedrooms in total, 3 to 4 bathrooms, but most importantly, each of these 3 homes is going to have 2 master bedrooms. The primary master bedroom would be located on the 2nd floor with a secondary junior sort of master bedroom located on the ground floor, which is perfect for large families, multi-generational families, aging parents, adult children, or for anyone who's looking for some extra privacy for their guests. One of the homes that I'm going to highlight is listed under $800,000, and another one that I'm going to show you has a complete separate entrance, which almost feels like its own separate living space. We'll compare homes by Lennar and Risewell Homes. Let's get started. Let's get started with the first home. This one by Lennar Homes in their Symphony community. It's called Residence 2693. This home is going to be 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a total of 2,693 square feet, 5,500 lot. This is the home that is listed less than $800,000, and we cannot wait to show you the great features that this home has. As soon as you come inside, you're welcomed by a lengthy hallway. Immediately upon entry on the left, you're going to have the secondary primary suite, junior suite located on the ground floor. Although I'm saying junior, this is actually pretty spacious bedroom. As you can see, plenty of space for furniture all around the bedroom. And this specific junior suite is also going to have an attached private bathroom for this specific bedroom. In addition to that, we're going to show you the half a bathroom that is located in the hallway, and then we will be making our way into the living room and the kitchen area that is on the ground floor. Here is a quick sneak peek into the half a bathroom, the powder room located on the ground floor. Making our way into the wide open floor plan, you have enough space for a dining table on the left of the family room. Towards the right, you're gonna have a beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances, laminated flooring. You also have plenty of space for a family room. And in addition to the family room, you have large glass doors and windows that are letting in tons of natural sunlight. You also get a covered patio with Lennar Homes. Lennar Homes is known to be as you get what you see type of builder. So whatever you see in the video in the model home in terms of features and upgrades, those would be standard included in the price, also including the covered patio in the backyard. Taking you to the 2nd floor, we're going to show you the loft, the spacious loft that is located on the 2nd floor. In addition to that, we're going to show you the primary bedroom, the main master bedroom of the house. In addition to that, other bedrooms and the bathroom in the hallway. Talking a little bit about Lennar, Lennar has been building in the 95757 zip code quite heavily over the last few years. They have this community called Arbor Ranch. In addition to that, they also have a couple of other communities that are upcoming, but I wanted to highlight this specific home because it's more than 2,500 square feet, and also you get 2 primary bedrooms in this house. Lennar, like I said, is what you see is what you get type of builder, so there's no surprises, there's no sudden jump on pricing. You see the price and you know exactly what you're getting. We're kind of making our way out of the primary bedroom on the 2nd floor, and we're going to show you the remainder of the bedrooms and the hallway bathroom that is located on the 2nd floor now. In addition to that, I also want to talk a little bit about Lennar's pricing structure. We have successfully negotiated price and additional incentives for our clients with Lennar. Like we have gotten up to $50,000 off of the list price. We have also gotten quite a bit of incentives, such as closing cost and lower rates for our clients. So if you are going to be going to Lennar or other builder that I'm going to highlight in the video a little bit later, make sure you are working with a local realtor who understands new construction in and out, because incentives by these builders change often because, due to supply and demand, due to competition with other builders. So having somebody on your side who understands the details is really critical, because we will make sure that you leave no money on the table. We're going to be wrapping up this specific model home tour shortly. In addition to that, the second home that you're going to see in this video today is also going to be by Lennar Homes. And the third home we'll see is going to be by Risewell. So this beautiful home, just to highlight again, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a loft, $799,000. Speaking of the second home, let's show you now. This is also by Lennar Homes, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and you also have the option to get a loft. But that would come if you get 4 bedrooms instead of 5. Outside of it, you saw a little banner where it said Lennar and sort of glass door. That's where traditionally your garage would be, but since the Lennar office is using it as a sales office, it's kind of like their entry into the sales office. Here, giving you a sneak peek into the multi-gen suite that has a private entrance. Like I mentioned, they're using it as a sales office. So this would traditionally be your bedroom. They're kind of using it as office, but this is where your downstairs multi-gen suite would be. You have an attached bathroom. You also have a family room, a smaller family room as part of this multi-gen suite. In addition to that, you have a small kitchenette. As you can see on the screen, you have a microwave, a refrigerator, a kitchen sink, and there's the door. That is the private entrance into this multi-gen suite. It has a separate entrance, completely isolated from the rest of the house. And of course, you can do the partitioning. Let's say if you were to rent this house, rent this multi-gen suite out as a rental. Coming back out from the multi-gen suite to show you the rest of the ground floor, you have a lengthy hallway here. You're gonna have the garage door on the right. You get a mud room as well. Outside of that, here is the open wide space that you get as part of this family room and the kitchenette area. This family room is going to appear a little bit more spacious than the one that you saw before, and that's because it's all like in one area, whereas in the previous home that you saw, it was more like L-shaped, where you had the dining table on the left and you had the kitchen and the family room on the right. In this specific home, you also get a spacious lot size as well. Previous home and this home comes with about 5,500 lot size. Of course, there are options to get a larger lot size as well. Let me kind of walk into the kitchen area and show you the beautiful cabinetry and the stainless steel appliances that this home comes with. And again, with Lennar, what you see is what you get. And also want to highlight that this specific location that we're looking at by both Lennar and Risewell is located in the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove, where the city is doing tons of commercial development to make this area be really appealing. In addition to that, we have amazing schools ranked 8, 9, or 10 out of 10 in this zip code. Coming to the second floor, we're going to show you the primary suite first. Again, very spacious. You of course have an attached private bathroom as well, which is also spacious with the walk-in closet as well. Let's continue to talk a little bit about Elk Grove. So all 3 homes that you're going to see in the video today are located in the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove. This is where city is also heavily investing in infrastructure. So you have brand new parks, brand new schools. All 3 elementary, middle, and high are going to be about 5 minutes of drive time or less. And all 3 are ranked either 8, 9, or 10 out of 10. And Elk Grove School District in general is nationally recognized for its rating and its curriculum. So you will have great school districts all the way from, or I should say great schools, all the way from TK kindergarten through 12th grade. If you are enjoying this video, Do consider subscribing to our channel if you're new, because we post similar videos on a weekly basis, and I also post a monthly video giving insights and data into how the Elk Grove real estate market is. I myself, Sandeep Singh, live in the beautiful city of Elk Grove. I'm raising a family here. My kids go to school here, and I work and I live locally here in Elk Grove. So everything that I'm sharing about Elk Grove, about the communities, is my firsthand experience of living in this beautiful city. As we are coming out of the primary bedroom on the second floor, where you kind of see those two artwork on the wall, it is kind of converted into a fifth bedroom behind that wall. But if you were to go with the fourth bedroom option with the loft, that fifth bedroom would be your open loft area. We'll show you that area just in a minute, but let me show you the other two bedrooms and the hallway bathroom that is located. As I'm coming out, you see that bedroom right in front of you that I'm getting into now. That would be traditionally your loft area. But like I said, in the model home, they have converted that into a fifth bedroom. So you have both of these options. This specific home is $835,000. Model home is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, but you also can get 4 bed with the loft. Let's go to our second builder and our third home for this video, which is going to be by Risewell Homes. This is their community called the Bungalows, and the plan is 3215, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,215 square feet. You get a 3-car garage, a loft, lot size about 600, or I should say 6,000, not 600,000. And the price of this home is going to be $849,000. As soon as we come into the house, you are welcomed by the second master bedroom on the ground floor. We're going to show you that in the next minute or so. But let me show you this beautiful wide open floor plan with tons of natural sunlight, beautiful kitchen appliances, cabinetry going all the way up to the ceiling. We have a butler's pantry here as well, and also a walk-in pantry. And I actually, let me correct myself. We have a butler's sort of coffee area and also a walk-in pantry in this beautiful home. I mean, look at it. As I'm kind of spinning around this room, you see beautiful cabinetry, beautiful laminated flooring, countertops, I mean, stainless steel appliances. Everything is great in this specific model home. And this floor plan is also very appealing to large families because, again, you get 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. You also get a loft, all that under $850,000. Here's a sneak peek into the walk-in pantry. You have the butler's sort of kind of like the coffee area here, and you'll of course have your entrance into your car garage through this sort of butler's area here. We're going to show you the primary suite that is located downstairs, which is the primary bedroom on the ground floor. And then we'll also give you a sneak peek into the half a bathroom that is located in the hallway here on the ground floor, and then taking you up to the second floor. Before we do that, let me actually give you a sneak peek into the backyard. Again, you have the option to get a covered patio with Lennar Homes. It does not come standard. So depending on which lot and which house you pick, it may or may not have a covered patio. So again, make sure you work with a local realtor who kind of explains all these nuances to you so you understand exactly what you get with each builder. Speaking of the multi-gen sort of second master bedroom on the ground floor, we're showing you that here with Risewell Homes. Similar to the first home that we saw by Lennar, this is not going to have like a separate kitchenette area or a separate entrance because it is all part of the main floor of the main house, whereas the home that you saw before this one had a separate entrance. So although this is still kind of considered multi-gen, but they don't really label it as multi-gen because it does not have a separate entrance. But again, for large families with perhaps parents or maybe a young adult child, this space is very private. And also, even if you have guests who are coming over, staying with you for an extended period of time, they kind of get their own private area. Here is the hallway half a bathroom that is located on the ground floor. We're going to take you to the second floor now, show you the spacious loft, show you the spacious primary bedroom, and also show you the remaining bedrooms and the hallway bathroom. Let's talk a little bit about commercial activity. So this specific community of Arbor Ranch, where all these three homes are located, you are roughly about 5 to max 10 minutes away from all the retail you would ever need. I'm talking about grocery at Costco, Safeway, even Walmart. I'm talking about big, large chain restaurants like Olive Garden, Buffalo Wild Wings. We also have tons of other local restaurants, different cuisines from around the world, local in Elk Grove, which is going to be about 5 to 10 minutes of drive time. We already talked about amazing schools that this neighborhood has, and we also kind of talked a little bit about parks in general that this community will have. I mean, everything in the future is going to be walkable from this community, but since this is a brand new neighborhood, brand new infrastructure is getting put in, some of the schools and some of those brand new parks that I'm speaking of will come in the next 2 to 5 years. But the existing schools, the existing parks are less than 5 minutes of driving distance from this community. Risewell, as a builder, is a great builder. They think of themselves as a luxury builder. In compared to Lennar, I must say their quality could appear to be a little bit better, which also indeed is the case because we do extensive inspections for our clients when we have them buy a new construction home or even an existing home. And those inspection reports always find something that needs to be fixed by the builder. And again, speaking of that, another shameless plug for a local realtor expert. Make sure you work with somebody who understands the nuances, not just around new construction, but also what needs to be inspected on these new construction homes. We're going to be wrapping up our third model home tour. Before we wrap up completely the video, I have another important message and a recap to share with you. As you saw throughout the video, each of these homes have something different to offer, but they all have one great feature in common, which is to have 2 primary bedrooms in the house, making them a great fit for multi-generational families or for anyone looking for some extra flexibility. I would love to hear which one of these 3 homes was your favorite, so do comment below and let me know which home did you like the most. If you're thinking about buying a new construction home in Elk Grove or anywhere in greater Sacramento area, my contact information is going to be in the description of the video. I help clients all across California, across the US, move into this beautiful city of Elk Grove, California. Whether you're thinking about moving 2 days from now, 2 months, 2 years, never too early to start a conversation with the local expert realtor who understands the market day in and day out. My contact information is going to be below in the description of the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon.